Hey everyone, welcome back. Your phone can record its own screen, with sound, and you don't need to install anything to do it. I'll show you where the button is, how to get the audio recording as well, including your own voice through the microphone, how to draw on the screen while you're recording, and where the finished video ends up. Start on any screen and swipe down from the very top to bring the panel down. Then swipe down once more, and the whole set of buttons opens up. There it is, Screen Recorder. Tap it, and before it starts you get this, sound, with 3 choices. None records the picture only, so you get a silent video. Media records whatever the phone is playing, so music, a video, a game. And Media and Mic records the phone's sound and your voice at the same time, which is the one you want if you're talking over it. I'll pick Media and Mic. Underneath there's Show Taps and Touches, which puts a little dot on screen wherever you tap, and that is genuinely useful if you're showing somebody how to do something. Then tap Start Recording. You get a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and it's rolling. Now there's one thing you need to know about. While it's recording, there's a small control bar up in the top right corner with a timer on it, and you cannot see it in this video. That is not a mistake. That is the whole point of it. Samsung keeps that bar out of anything that captures the screen, so it never ends up in your finished recording, and you never have to worry about it being in the shot. Everything else you do does get recorded, so go and do whatever it was you needed to record. Now the genuinely useful thing on that bar, there's a pencil on it. Tap the pencil, and you can draw straight onto the screen while you're recording. And unlike the bar itself, the drawing very much does get recorded. Watch. That is just me dragging a finger across the screen, and it comes out in the video. Next to the pencil, there's a colored dot that opens a row of colors so you can change it, and 2 arrows that undo and redo if you go wrong. It means you can circle the exact thing you're talking about instead of trying to describe where it is on screen. There's also a little person, which turns on the front camera so your face sits in the corner, and 2 bars to pause if you need a break. When you're done, tap the square on the right to stop it. There's no save button, and no "Are you sure?" It just saves on its own. And here is exactly where it goes, because this next bit is the part people get stuck on. Open your gallery and go to Albums. Now tap View All, and that's the step everybody misses, because Screen Recordings is not one of the 4 albums the gallery shows you by default. Scroll down and there it is, Screen Recordings, with the one we just made sitting in it. Tap it and it plays like any other video, and you can share it straight from there. One last thing worth knowing, and it takes about 20 seconds. All the defaults for this, whether it records sound at all, what quality it uses, and where it puts the file, live together in one place. Come out to your settings, scroll down until you find Advanced Features, tap that, and then tap Screenshots and Screen Recordings. Scroll down past the screenshot part to Screen Recordings. Record sound sets what it grabs by default. Video quality is set to high, 1080p. Selfie video size controls how big that little face bubble is. And Save Screen Recordings In tells you exactly where they land. Internal storage, DSIM, Screen Recordings. So that's the whole thing. Swipe down twice, tap Screen Recorder, pick Media and Mic, tap Start Recording, and tap the square when you're done. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Android tips. Thanks for watching.